Alright, Kevin, so this is what we have to work with. You have a 2-inch pipe for a basin drainage. You have a 3-inch for a toilet. The thing is, based on where the 3-inch pipe here located, you have to try redirect that pipe, or we put a S and box up around the pipe inside of the shower. But where would a box up now, what you can do is put a seat against it inside of the shower, because mark out where the shower is supposed to go. You have the S yourself for shower, T for the toilet for the bathroom here, and the B for the basin. So the next bathroom where you want to put a bulb can even go above this bathroom here. So the pipe here now, we have to try to find a way to divert them pipe here for pipe the bathroom here, as well as the one that you want to put above. So what we could do, as I just said, put a T here, so right. Once you have the T come up like this, we have another pipe like this from the T going up, another T as a vertical T. That vertical T now can slope, come down here, so put an elbow, have a 2-inch, the same 2-inch pipe run across. Have another, no, put another elbow, bring that, no, put a T, then a 2-inch, another 2-inch pipe, then a elbow for bring the T, for bring the pipe up for the shower drain. From that T, continue to the basement. The basement now we have an elbow, we have